Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This present video presents how to prepare special herbal oil to get instant relief from knee pain, backache, joint pains, inflammation, sprains, muscle strains, myositis, fibrosis, and sciatica.
Before watching this video, please click the subscription button if you have not subscribed earlier to our channel. And also, please click the like button and share this video with your friends and relatives.
The required oils are eucalyptus oil, kalanji oil, neem oil, castor oil, sesame seed oil, olive oil, coconut oil, and mustard oil.
Take equal quantity of each oil and pour into a bowl.
Mix them thoroughly.
Pour the mixed oil into a tawa.
To remove the water particles if any in the mixed oil, heat it. When there is no water particles found, close the gas stove and bring down its temperature to room temperature.
Now, the special herbal oil is ready for use, and store this special herbal oil in a bottle.
Whenever you have the symptom of knee pain, backache, joint pains, inflammation, sprains, muscle strains, myositis, fibrosis and sciatica, warm 10 ml of this herbal oil and apply it to the relevant place to get instant relief from pain.
If you have chronic pains, apply this herbal oil in the morning, evening, and night before going to bed.
Okay guys. Meet you soon in our next health related video. You also check out our other health related videos. Thank you.